What's up, you guys? This is Allison. Today I'm going to be touching base on all of our level 3 hair gels.
For every look on your to-do list, our hair gels offers a styling solution. The innovative gel formulas are easy to apply, perform like a boss, and leave hair looking fresh all day long.
Today I'm going to be applying our level 3 hair gel. I'm going to go ahead and give myself a nice sleek ponytail. As you can see, I'm going to try to tame these flyaways that I have. So I'm going to grab a little bit of our gel. This gel is also going to provide long-lasting hold and shine. So you can see I've applied very little. This gel is a flake-free formula, which is going to leave no residue. This product is also good for comb overs and various hairstyles. To inquire more on our level 3 products, you can visit us at L3VEL3.com.